Welcome to an overview of the TM or Termination Multifunction Strategic Fibre Nodes Part 1, the TM Small and Medium Node. The TM Small Node comprises of a cap, an oval clamp and a port base that consists of a pressure relief valve, 4 circular ports, 1 oval port and 2 maintenance ports, which are not used by OpenReach at present. Ancillaries are listed at the end of this video. To access the inside of the node, first remove the cap by releasing the clamp. To release the clamp, pull back on the lever, then open the clamp by pulling it off the cap and base sealing lip. Now lift the cap in an upwards direction off the node. As you can see, the fibre tray stack is single-sided. To access the trays, remove the top cover by pinching the 2 tabs on the top tray, releasing the clips that hold the cover in place. Now lift the cover in an upwards direction to remove completely. All input fibres are routed up the left-hand side fibre raceway. All output fibres are routed up the right-hand side fibre raceway. To store the fibres on the tray, both incoming and outgoing fibres follow the outer track. A storage area is available within the centre mandrel on the tray. The TM small node is supplied from the factory fully populated with 12 self-supporting trays which do not require a tray support to stay elevated. These trays are known as HCSE trays, which stand for High Capacity Single Element. The trays in the TM small node are not intended to be field configurable, meaning engineers do not need to add or swap trays. Each tray has 6 splice protector bays. Each bay can hold 2 splice protectors, allowing a total of 12 splices to be stored on the tray. The splice protector 6A is to be used with the trays. To access the splitter storage area, remove the manifold cover by using your finger and thumb on one hand to hold the cover centrally between the tabs. Using the other hand, flex the tabs on either side to slide the retaining clips out. The splitter storage area consists of 2 splitter bays that can store 2x32 way splitter devices, or for long reach PON applications, 2 times 2x16 way splitter devices. There are 2 storage mandrels, one for each splitter device's output fibres. Both mandrels are used for routing any fibres to their designated tray. All splitter fibres are routed up the left-hand side fibre raceway only. The TM small and medium support up to 64 customer address points over PON technology. To install a splitter, hold the device so the input fibres are on the left-hand side and the output fibres are on the right. Align the splitter alongside the splitter bay and push device into holder until it is securely in position. Then route the input and output fibres to their designated tray or storage area. If 2 splitter devices are to be fitted, install the second splitter with orange fibres first before installing the first splitter with blue fibres. This will enable easy access to the output fibres of the first splitter in preparation for when the output fibres are to be moved onto trays and spliced. Please refer to the installation practice for more details on installing splitters. The TM small and medium node has 4 element retaining tabs, 2 on the front of the node and 2 at the back. Removing the manifold cover allows access to the front 2 element retaining tabs. To open the tabs, gently push the clips away from the node, releasing the front covers, then gently pull the covers back on their hinges. This will allow you to place elements into the holders and then close the cover behind them, securing them into the node. The rear fibre retaining tabs are readily accessible. The TM small node has 1 oval port. To open the oval port, knock out the port's end plate from the inside and remove burrs. A TM oval port kit is being assembled. Please refer to the installation practice for more details on assembling the oval port kit. To insert the oval port kit into the node, feed the kit into the knocked out oval port and push until fully inserted. The first part of installing a port kit is to remove a port blank. To remove a port blank from its port, fully squeeze the tabs together from inside the base. You may need to rotate the blank in the port to squeeze the tabs. Using the other hand, hold the central rib and firmly pull until the port blank is released. The port kit being assembled is a TM circular port kit. All port kits come with their own assembly instructions and consists of a body, rear nut, gland and spacers. The circular port kit comes with 3 different size glands for different size cables, which each require more or less spacers. The larger the cable, the larger gland and more spacers required. A list of port kits for different cable types is available at the end of this video. To fit the kit into the port base, feed the port kit into the port hole. Push and twist until an audible click is heard. This means the kit is securely locked into the port on the base. All glands provide the required environmental sealing. The TM medium node is identical to the TM small node in terms of design and functionality, with one difference. The medium has 24 trays, making it 12 trays larger for greater capacity. As you can see, the process for reassembling the splitter manifold cover and the tray cover is exactly the same. Thank you for watching an overview of the TM or Termination Multifunction Strategic Fibre Nodes Part 1.